Hey everyone, in today's vlog we're taking a short but scenic hike along the nature trail at Catalina State Park. This trail is super easy and perfect for all ages, with awesome views of desert mountains, giant saguaros, and the notorious Cholla cacti. Along the way we found these cool signs with info about the local wildlife and even their footprints imprinted in stone, which I think was pretty cool. It's a great trail if you're looking for a relaxing walk through the desert landscape, if you're into nature and want to learn more about the local wildlife in the area. And hey, from there, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to give this video a like, since it helps get the video out there for more viewers to see it. And hopefully subscribe and join the Watch Wandering community. There's plenty more to come, so we hope to see you in the next. Oh, and just as a reminder, this is the actual full hike. Like we normally do. So if time is not on your side, there will be chapters for you to look at your leisure. All right. See ya. It's a very steep hill, but we'll make it. Got my knee brace on. Watch Wandering number one's already gone. But that's okay. We'll catch up. I'll stop over at this bench so I can put my hat on because the sun's out. In a second. Give you a nice, lovely view of the mountains. Let's continue. So there's pause and read moments. This is a jumping cholla, I think. I might be wrong. If I am, just put it down in the comments. Seems like to attach and stick to you if you get too close. Yeah, some unusual wildlife. Not sure where it's coming from. Well, I'm not sure which way to go. From my understanding, it's that way. Or perhaps it's this way. Not sure how good the camera will pick this up, but that's what coyote footprints looks like. I'll zoom into it. So, got the loop. If we go that way, and I have, I'm not sure which way Watch Wanderer number 1 went. But since we want it to come in on this side, I think she's going that way. So we will follow the trail. Looks like I see her footprints. So. I'm quite familiar with tracking, so hopefully I'm going the right way. If not, we'll go the other way next time. Not many colorful plants out right now because of the time of the year, but of course we'll be filming throughout now and the spring, probably visiting places even like the Grand Canyon and other places around Arizona, maybe even Nevada at some point, or California. But for now we'll stick to the southwest of Arizona. until it gets a little bit cooler. It is a nice day today, but it's supposed to get hotter in an hour or two. So we'll make the most of this and get some nice colorful footage and give you some footprints to check out if you ever come out to the desert. It's road runner. As you can see, miles and miles. Wilderness on both sides. Wouldn't have it any other way. More adventurous, more places to go. More watch wandering, all that good stuff. So. We're at the top of a hill right now. Nice large hill. Walking around its perimeter before we head back down. See footprints, but that might just be dog, somebody's pet, I hope. Lots of ants. Don't want to get in their way. Wow, they're everywhere. As you can see. Don't want anything to do with that. Keep switching over. Alright. This is the guy we gotta watch out for. To see its prints, but I'll zoom in. Hopefully you get a nice view of them. Ooh. There's a trail there, but I want to keep going around. These big boulders. And they are huge. And check it out. It's Splash Wanderer number 1. So I guess I went the wrong way. I thought you went the other way.
Nope, sorry.
Okay, I'll meet you around at the...
Sounds good.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you too. It's tall. I have the camera on wide angle lens, so it doesn't really quite pick up how tall this is, but it's really tall. If I had it on linear, it would probably show a little bit better. Let's check out this sign. All that wilderness out there. Surprisingly, the only splash of color I see right now. I'm still looking though. Cholla. Here's a closer look. As close as I'm willing to get, anyway. They are sharp. Good morning. Excuse me. Starting from the San Diego Ridge, just way over there, and just go across, ending at Push Peak, right in the center there. Yeah. Check out this rock, if I can get close enough. Hopefully you get to see it as shiny. It's really cool. Going down a slight incline here. Make sure I keep my footing. cactus wrens. We see those a lot. Desert tortoise is kind of rare, but we do capture them. We have a video where we captured one. You can check out that video. It's called the wetlands something. I can't remember, but it's in our list. Steeper incline. Actually, I'm gonna go check out this big boulder over here. Gotta watch out for snakes, but check it out. Sorry, I thought I heard something. Climb up a little bit. There we go. All right. Not sure what that mountain range is in the distance there. I have to consult Watch Wanderer number 1 about that. She's the hiker, I'm just the camera guy, so I'm trying to be a hiker. Here we go. Alright, down. Back on the main trail. Definitely getting hot again. Another huge rock. And I say that comes up to about my waist. I'm about 5'9". That is pretty wide. I don't know. For me, I like looking at everything because I'm a beach boy. I've come from a beach community, so coming out here to the desert is a treat. Yes. See some very unique things that I thought I'd never get to see outside of being in the Persian Gulf, so very nice. Try to get this camera at a good angle. Look at this thing. This thing's about double my height. This rock or boulder. No joke. Again, using this lens, I can't really, you don't really see the difference. I can't change it unless I cut the video off, but yeah. Absolutely huge. So oh yes. Haven't seen actually I have seen a barred scorpion. We've got video on that. I haven't seen a black widow. Don't really want to either. Rattlesnakes, seen those. Gila monster, I've seen those as well. I didn't know until recently that they might be, you know, venomous. But, yeah. Interesting. Relief from the sun. Some nice, what I call gibbly clouds. I don't know the correct term for them, but I like that term. Oh my God, she like... It's not fair, you looped me twice.
You want a partner to go back with?
Sure. Make me look bad on camera.
You can't see me struggling and wiping my nose on my shirt.
All the boulders out there. Crazy.
Prints up here and
Really?
some sort of path too. Baby, too. Hawaiian is only like this big. Usually they're like this big. I've never seen a baby one like this.
I would have liked to have got that on camera. Yes. I'll leave you guys with a nice view for a few minutes or seconds.
Hope that breeze stays up.
Yeah. If you ever come out here, it's important to stop and have drinks of water every so often. Dehydration will sneak up on you pretty quick. Let's see what we got here. Bobcat prints.
Beautiful animals. Hard to see with the light right above you there.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a zoom in. And I'll adjust the contrast so hopefully we can get them.
Like an example of the tracking that we were doing with the midday sunlight above you makes everything harder to see.
Sentinel of the desert. And if you'd like to read this, just go ahead and pause the video. Nice big saguaro. Good view there.
See the green patch to the left of that like dome?
Yeah.
Looks like the ski valley up in Mount Lemmon. Like somewhere.
Oh yeah.
I wonder
Could be.
if that is on this side. I don't know if it's this side or the other side of the mountain.
Hmm.
Something I'll have to look.
Yeah.
Never seen it. Point before.
All right.
I love that they have the benches out all around this particular trail.
Yeah.
You just need to stop, take a break, and chill out. Get your breath back. Keep on. You're good.
Hey, look, you're filming now.
Oh, awesome.
In and out.
It's all good.
Have a good day.
All right, let's continue.
Mule deer.
Yep, this is mule deer. It's probably going to be a little tough to get these on film, hopefully.
We can put some shade over it. Makes it easier to see.
Actually, it's fine. Actually, I can see it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh.
No, I can't.
See?
All right. From what I understand, there's a crested saguaro somewhere over here.
You see all the ants?
Yeah.
There's a lot of ants out today. If you hang around here long enough, you'll see those lizards come in, and they'll sit there and just eat them as they go by.
Catalina. We could check out that, but we can. I'm sure there's another one somewhere.
What, the barrel cactus?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm just going to stop here and stop you from walking over them. You see the cat prints?
Yeah.
See, they might.
I did see
This
something.
one looks more like a coyote or a dog. It's got the two,
Padding.
no, not padding, the claws.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah, it's broad. See, I couldn't see it walking up this way, but I can see it coming back. somebody must have come up here early this morning with their dog before the ground dried from the rain last night. But you can also see the deer.
Oh, okay.
But that's a dog. And then it's deer. You see a couple more, like maybe the deer hung around for a bit. It's facing that way, facing that way, that way, that way. Maybe they hopped gone through there. And big prints there too. When it was wet, they could slid. Did you want to go see the Crested Saguaro at the bottom of the hill?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right, we're back where we started.
You see the Coyote tracks?
Yes, I heard that.
So some of those tracks we saw back there were probably dog, because none of these have the what do you call those?
Claws.
Claws. Thank you. Forgot the word for a minute there. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yep. All right, we're coming back to the steep hill incline here, a decline, or whatever you want to call it, going down. I don't know these mountain terms. Trying not to fall or slip. Getting off the bottom. All right. Here we're going to.
The saguaros look too. They're all rippled and full of water.
What are you looking at?
There's the Crested Saguaro right there. Look.
Oh yeah, I see it. Let's go get a closer look. Again, watching out for our venomous friends. Okay. There we go. And I'll zoom in on that if I can. Not much room to go anywhere else to get a closer look, so. Alright, and that's a Crested Saguaro. One of many, I'm sure. I don't see them often though. Very nice. Alright. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. We appreciate you being here. To all the new subscribers, welcome. And this has been a nice day out for once. We call this one a practice run, but we'll make the most of it, and looking forward to taking you all on different trails around here in the Sonoran Desert and beyond. And again, we thank you for watching, and we hope you have a nice day. We'll see you in the next.